story of the hour. The former Punjab Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal has been attacked. He was attacked earlier today in Maharashtra's Nanded. The Shiromani Akali Dal chief was inside a Gurudwara offering prayers in Nanded when he was attacked by the assailant. Sukhbir Singh Badal suffered injuries to his hand and was swiftly rushed to a private hospital for treatment. The Nanded police have now confirmed that the attacker was a Nihang who attacked Sukhbir Badal with a sharp object. A police officer, Inspector Santosh, has also been injured in the incident and was rushed to the hospital. Within minutes, the local police also detained the attacker. The attacker has been identified as Jaspal Singh, and he allegedly used a kirpan or the curved sword to attack Sukhbir Singh Badal. Upon interrogation, he reportedly told the police that he attacked Badal simply because he felt like doing so. However, the police officials are not satisfied with this explanation, and it is expected that he will be interrogated further.
दुनिया के तमाम सिख धर्मियों का धार्मिक स्थल समझने वाला गुरुद्वारा हुजूर साहिब नांदेड़ स्थित है। यहाँ पर पंजाब के पूर्व उप मुख्यमंत्री सुखबीर सिंह बादल आज पूरे फैमिली के साथ यहाँ पे मत्था टेकने आए थे और उसी दरमियान नांदेड़ के माता साहब जो गुरुद्वारा है वहां पर उन पर जानलेवा हमला हुआ है। उसके बाद उनको नांदेड़ के एक जो प्राइवेट अस्पताल है उसमें भर्ती किया गया। आप बाजू में देख सकते हैं कि इस तरह का यहाँ पे पूरा पुलिस बंदोबस्त यहाँ पर तैनात किया गया है। आज सवेरे ही सुखबीर सिंह बादल पूरे परिवार के साथ यहाँ पे नांदेड़ स्थित हुजूर साहिब नांदेड़ पर मत्था टेकने आए थे। उसके बाद नांदेड़ के नजदीक रहने वाला जो गुरुद्वारा है वो माता साहब है, जहाँ पे ब्राह्मण गांव स्थित वो गुरुद्वारा है, जहाँ पर पूरे फैमिली के साथ सुखबीर सिंह बादल जो है वहां पर मत्था टेकने गए थे। लेकिन कुछ इलीगल मूवमेंट्स वहां पे हुए और उनपे जानलेवा हमला किया गया। उसके तौर पे उनके हाथ को जो है हाथ पर मार लगने की वजह से वो गंभीर स्थिति में है और उनको नांदेड़ के एक प्राइवेट जो हॉस्पिटल है वहां पर भर्ती किया गया है। यशोसई साई नाम का ये नांदेड़ स्थित हॉस्पिटल है और इस तरह का यहाँ पर तगड़ा जो पुलिस बंदोबस्त है यहाँ पे रखा गया है। और यहाँ पर नांदेड़ का जो गुरुद्वारा है वो तमाम सिख धर्मियों का श्रद्धा स्थान है, जहाँ पर हुजूर साहिब नांदेड़ नाम का ये गुरुद्वारा है, जहाँ पर दुनिया के तमाम सिख श्रद्धालु जो है यहाँ पे आते हैं। उसी तौर पर उप मुख्यमंत्री रह चुके सुखबीर सिंह बादल वो भी यहाँ पर फैमिली के साथ आए थे और उसी दरमियान उन पर ये जानलेवा हमला हुआ। जो बचाव पथक है उसमें से भी एक जो अधिकारी है उसमें गंभीर रूप से घायल होने की खबर है, लेकिन इसकी पुष्टि जो है नांदेड़ पुलिस ने अभी तक नहीं की गई है। कितने लोग घायल और किसको मार लगा और कितने जख्मी हुए इस तौर पर अभी भी कुछ भी पुष्टि हुई नहीं है। पुलिस प्रशासन के ओर से यहाँ पर और जमावड़ा ना जमा हुए इस तौर पर खबरदारी रखी जा रही है। कैमरामैन सुधाकर के साथ में धनंजय सोलंके, टाइम्स नाउ, नांदेड़।
Cutting across party lines, the political fraternity has also united to condemn the attack on the Shiromani Akali Dal chief Sukhbir Singh Badal. They demand strict punishment to the attacker and also an investigation into the security lapse.
पर मैं दसना चाहना कि सरदार सुखबीर सिंह बादल पूरी तरह स्वस्थ ने, चढ़दी कला दे विच ने। सो जिस ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਅਫਵਾਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਫਲਾਈਆਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਹਮਲੇ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਸਪਸ਼ਟ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਵਸਥ ਤੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮਾਮਲਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਦਾ ਹੈ, ਮਹਾਰਾਸ਼ਟਰ ਦਾ। ਸੋ ਮਹਾਰਾਸ਼ਟਰ ਦੀ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਜਾਂਚ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਖਸ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਕਹਿਣ ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਛੜਯੰਤਰ ਤਹਿਤ ਇਹ ਹਮਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਸ਼ਟਰ ਦੀ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕੋਈ ਖੁਲਾਸਾ ਕਰੇਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸਾਂਝੀ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ। पर लगातार पंथक आगुआं ਨੂੰ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨਾ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਕੋਝੀਆਂ ਸਾਜ਼ਿਸ਼ਾਂ, ਇਹ ਛੜਯੰਤਰ ਕੁਝ ਪੰਥ ਵਿਰੋਧੀ ਤਾਕਤਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਰਚ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ।
Now remember, this attack follows another assassination attempt on the former Punjab Deputy Chief Minister when he was targeted in December 2024. This attack was inside Golden Temple. Back then, a man armed with a gun had attempted to fire at Sukhbir Badal inside the Golden Temple, but he was apprehended in time and Sukhbir Badal escaped unhurt. We have more breaking updates now coming in. The Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has spoken with Sukhbir Singh Badal over the phone line, and Badal is said to have informed the Chief Minister that he is stable. The attack took place in Nanded. Now the Maharashtra Chief Minister has spoken to Badal. My colleague Rucha is joining us over the phone. Is joining us with more details. Rucha, what are the details of this phone call?
Will the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, after learning about the incident, after learning about the attack, has immediately contacted Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal and asked about his well-being, how his health is, and after confirming that he is now in stable condition, has also immediately called for a special inquiry in this matter. Fadnavis also spoke with the Superintendent of Police of Nanded and has asked immediately to ask for inquiry in this entire incident. Additionally, it is also important to note that Devendra Fadnavis, who also holds charge of Home Department of Maharashtra, he has given some special orders. And while we are learning that there were already several police officials present there, despite that this attempt was made, so now the investigation is underway that who all were behind this entire attack. Was that a pre-planned conspiracy? Was that someone who was also linked to one more attack which was made in 2024? Is that linked to this case is what will be established by the Nanded police, and Maharashtra police has already detained this particular person, the accused Jaspal Singh, and CM Fadnavis has already ordered to arrest the person immediately. So that interrogation is underway. But it is also important to note that the accused, during interrogation, while he was questioned why he attacked, what was the intention behind the attack, he has simply answered, "I felt like doing it." This is the statement that is coming from Jaspal Singh, who made this attack attempt. And however, Sukhbir Singh,
breaking updates coming in of the Nanded police sources revealing that the accused is not actually revealing too many details and has been very cagey with the responses, not revealing much to the police officials. So, Rucha, the police officials were very quick to apprehend the attacker, but we're told the attacker is not revealing any information to the police officials. What are the details of the interrogation?
Well, that is a challenge for the Nanded police now. Now that the interrogation had already started right from Gurudwara, because there were already several police officials present there with Z plus security of Mr. Badal and additional security provided to by the Nanded police. The attacker was immediately caught and detained, but during interrogation he is not really responding what is expected, and now he is only saying that I just felt like doing it. That is the only response that the person is giving, and which is why this is now a challenge for the Nanded police to get more out of it, because already the investigation is underway. Several CCTV cameras are being checked. Who Jaspal Singh met previously, or who he was in contact with? Was this a pre-planned conspiracy? What was their intention, and how long this was being planned? All the questions are being questioned to the accused in this case, but he is not revealing, or he is not giving satisfactory answers, is what we are learning from the sources of Nanded police. So that becomes a major challenge. But as the orders have come straight from the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, who's also the Home Minister, this becomes priority to investigate the matter, and how this is not the first time such kind of attempt was made on Sukhbir Singh Badal. So this becomes a priority for the Nanded police. Now the investigation is underway, and the accused, even if he is not revealing much in the interrogation, the police are trying on getting more information about this entire conspiracy. If there were multiple people involved in this, or was it only him who made an attempt using kirpan? He attacked Mr. Badal and injured his right hand, where in the video we also saw blood coming out
Stay
of
with
his...
us. We have more breaking updates now coming in of the police detaining the man. We have more details now accessed Jaspal Singh, that's the name of the attacker. He is the one who attacked the Shiromani Akali Dal leader Sukhbir Singh Badal, and the accused allegedly attacked Badal with a kirpan. So these are the details available at this point, and we have accessed the picture of the attacker. This is the man who is said to have attacked Sukhbir Badal. Rucha, the attacker seen for the very first time, but like you mentioned, as far as the investigations are concerned and the interrogation, he has not really revealed too many details. Now, how are the police officials going about it? Because you also mentioned that this is also a zone which has a lot of security around the historic Gurudwara as well. Usually there are a lot of security personnel as well as CCTVs.
Well, that is right. This is one of the famous locations or famous Gurudwara of Nanded, where lots of people come for seeking blessings across India. And this morning only, Sukhbir Singh Badal had reached there, and after taking blessings, he also shared the videos along with his family, who all were present there. While in the video we can see he is wearing the turban, and after that, about 1:50 p.m. is what we are learning from the sources from the police. This incident was reported while he was coming down from the staircase inside the Gurudwara. This attempt was made, and a man identified as Jaspal Singh, who was already working in the Gurudwara, this very location. He knew the entrances and where he will be coming out, and using the opportunity, he made that attempt, attacked his hand, and where using kirpan, he attacked Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal, and where he was immediately taken into custody by the local police, with several officials already present there, which were already there for his security. And one of the police officials, one of the constable, Santosh, is also injured in this entire incident. So both were immediately rushed.
Thank you for joining us with all those details.